gonna do some rainbow makeup today. Got a little peelies. Boop. So I thought today I would try the viral Tissue rainbow look. Okay. Oh, you made me mess up. You don't care, do you? Do you have something you want to share? Okay. But Mommy's trying to do makeup. Girl. So let's start with some purple. I'm using this Morphe 24A Artist Pass palette. Trust the process. Ugh. I think we went a little low. Okay, I'm not sure how I feel yet. My crease didn't get it. Oh, that's okay. Look at, we got a hole. I squinched. Okay, so if you're over 40, make sure you don't squinch too much or you're gonna miss all your eye. Cray cray? I don't know. So I think from here, I'm gonna do some eyeliner and lashes and mascara. So I'm just doing the tiniest little baby wing. I mean, so far I like it. I feel like it's very artsy, like avant-garde. Oh crap. This is Divine Intervention in the Blood Money palette. I love this for inner corner. Okay, we're okay. She went back to sleep. Like, do I touch this up? Because that looks kind of stupid. But I don't want to go against the challenge. Okay, so now we got lashes. I think I'm just going to leave that. Like, I'm not even going to clean it up. Let's do a little highlight. I mean, I'm just going to leave that. Kind of looks like butterfly. Baby woke up. If you are one of those people that's not good at blending, not good at different colors, this is a great technique. You literally take the tissue, you just scrub it on the color, and then blot it on your eye. You're done. I mean, if you're looking for a 5-minute makeup routine, this is it. It does make me a little sad though, because I'm trying to be a makeup artist and all of my skills and practicing that I've done is just, I mean, it's a look. It's a look. So I think I want to add more to it though. I'm not done. Okay, I'm going to take one of these little paint cakes, put some setting spray on it. Sorry, Allie. This is Squishy Doodle Shelby face painter. I love her. Okay, okay. What? Sorry. Freaking the baby out. Oh my God. Oh, I didn't do it on the right side. Shite. Hold on, everybody. Oh, that's so pretty. So I don't have the cool glitter that Shelby has, so I'm gonna try these little stars. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Ah, they're falling everywhere. I mean, this is a bit of a challenge with her, but you know, gonna make it work. Allie, she's trying to grab me. Girl, it's not for you. You're not going to be able to sit here much longer because you're going to start grabbing everything. Ooh. So what do we say? Amberific? Yay! Say bye-bye. Well, I guess I'm done with it. I'll leave it. Love y'all.